what up, what up? This is a 03 2.0 liter auto Jetta muffler delete. As you can see with this nice hack job over here we got going on. It works. It made the car feel better. Check engine light's gone. Sounds better. It's a lot quieter now and no pops. So we want some pops and more noise. So we're gonna try to take this thing out and do, see how the single exit, out, and see if it makes any popping noises, any type of good sounds. You guys will see it here first, folks.
The other ones look like two little fucking dumbass fingers, so I don't mind.
ET fingers and shit. Holy shit! Sounds like a diesel, bro. Shit, there's pops. My car don't even fucking pop, man.